Myself Basama, and our teammates are Apurva, Bhumika, and Kusuma. Our topic is design and development of a mini ATC language analysis using finite automata and context-free grammar. Contents are introduction, problem statement, objectives, systems architecture, output, and conclusion. My topic is introduction. Automata theory plays a fundamental role in the design and implementation of compilers and programming languages. A compiler is a software system that translates high-level language programs into a machine-level instructions that can be executed by a computer. It contains of several space such as lexical analysis and syntax analysis, optimization, and code generation. Among this space, lexical analysis and phrasing are the initial and most important stages. The lexical analysis scans the input program and converts it into a sequence of tokens such as keywords, identifiers, numbers, operators, and determinates whether the tokens follow the grammar, rules, and the language using CFG. If the syntax is correct, the program is accepted, otherwise as an error is shown. Problem statements are a modern programming languages requires efficient tools to recognize the identifiers, keywords, operators, and sentence structures before executing programs. Manual checking of syntax and tokens of difficult, time consisting, and error prone. To solve this issue, a mini ATC language analysis is designed using concept of finite automata and context-free grammar. The project aims to develop simple compiler front end that performs identifier recognition, lexical analysis, and phrasing for a small custom language called mini ATC. The system should identify valid and invalid identifiers, separate tokens such as keywords, operators, literals, and symbols, and verify whether the input statement follow the grammar rule of the language. The analysis uses finite automata for a token and identifier recognition, lexical analysis for token generation, context-free grammar for syntax checking, Fraser techniques for validating statements.
Good afternoon, one and all. I am Apura and I am handling with the objectives. To recognize valid identifiers helps the compiler identify correct variables and functions names based on programming rules. To perform lexical analysis breaks the program into small units called tokens for easy processing. To separate tokens from input statements divides statements into keywords, identifiers, operators, and symbols. To check syntax correctness using grammar rules. Ensure the program follows the correct programming language structure. To understand the implementation of finite automata and CFG helps in learning how compilers check patterns and grammars in programs. To detect lexical and syntax errors, finds mistakes in words and sentences structure of the program during compilation. System architecture like level 1 identifier recognition. Identifier recognition is the first step in a compiler design. An identifier is the name used for variables, functions, objects like example total, 1 and value. These are the identifiers because they are used as a names in a program. Like rules for identifier recognitions are an identifier is valid only if it follows these rules. First, it must start with an alphabet. It can contain letters and digits. Space are not allowed. Special characters like symbol, at, ash, and dollars are not allowed. Example, valid identifiers are total, 1 and value. These are valid because they start with the letters and contain only letters and numbers. Invalid identifiers. one ABC, $A, like these are invalid identifiers because it starts with a number and contains special characters like dollar. So these are invalid identifiers. Finite automata. Finite automata is used to check whether an identifier is valid or not. It works by reading one character at a time, checking if the rules are followed, accepting valid identifiers, and rejecting invalid identifiers. So next part will be continued by Kusma.
The lexical analysis. Lexical analysis is the first phase of compiler. It stores the secure code and divided into a small different unit called as tokens. That as tokens as logical lexical analysis, identifier operations, numbers, and symbols. These are the tokens. Then it will removing the unnecessary space and tabs and comments for the programming. If any invalid word or symbols are founded, the lexical analysis report the errors and the process keeping. Then the secure code and next phase will be compared. Types of tokens. Keyword it's reduce the word like if, while, and int. Identifier it's a valid or function like name, x, and total 1 and difference. uh, Operators, the symbols additional, suppression, multiplication, and divisions, that numbers and symbols. Numbers is a values 0 to 9. Symbols as a special symbols, characters, dollars, bracket, that are the function of lexical analysis. It's break a source code into a task, remove the space and comments, detects the invalid task, and sends a task for the process. Next slide. The queries is the second phase of compiler. The queries receives a task and lexical analysis and check whether the following grammar rules and programming language is used to context-free grammar. It's defined as a syntax character from the languages. It's a pairs verify the correct argument and tasks, ensure that statement as right or proper format. The syntax of a mistake found that performing generating a error. For example, statement identifier, it can any spelling mistake it will be find out. Checking the syntax correctness and verifying the task arguments and detect the syntax error and validate the programming structure. Next will be continued by Kusuma.
I am explaining about the project demonstrate on the basic phases of compiler design using Python. Level 1 uses a finite automata to identifiers check the whether identifiers are valid or invalid. Level 2 performs lexical analysis by converting the source code to tokens such as keywords, identifiers, operators, and numbers. Level 3 uses context free grammar phases to verify program syntax and detect error in invalid program. I will run the output. The system divided the system the system divided three levels. The first level is valid identifier checker using finite automata. Second level is lexical analyzer or tokenizer. Third level is phasers. First level, the valid identifier checkers are finite automata. Checkers or finite automata are identifies the valid or invalid using the concept of finite automata. Identifiers names are in variable programming languages. Examples x, sum, total, etc. The automata follows certain rules. It identifiers must start with letter or underscore. Number can appear after the first character. Special symbol are not allowed. The table in the output contains input value, accepted result, actual result, pass or fail status. For example, X is the valid because the start with B letter X. A minus B is the invalid because special character are not allowed. Level 2. Lexical analyzer. Lexical analyzer are called tokenizer. The lexical are called tokenizer. The phases reads to source program divided into small units called tokens. The analyzer identifies the different token types like keywords, identifiers, operators, numbers, and delimitaries. E- Example, begin and int are keyword, x are identifier, equal to or is an operator, 10 is a number, and etc. The output delays all tokens in the sequence and shows their categories. Level 3. Phaser. Phaser are called context-free grammar. After tokenization, the phaser checks the whether token sequence follows proper grammar rules. The derivation action shows grammar production such as program begin, estimate, list, end. Estimate is assign estimate. The phases analyze the program step by step. The first step program, no syntax error are found. The output is valid mini ATC. This means the program follows all grammar rules correctly. There are phases testers and another program with syntax mistakes. The outputs errors such as unaccepted token, missing semicolon, invalid statement, format, etc. The finite automata validates identifier. The lexical analysis uses convert source code into tokens. The phasers checks the syntax using the grammar rules. Will be explained conclusion of this project. The conclusion this successfully explains the basic concept of the compiler design using finite automata and context-free grammar. The project demonstrates how have a compiler analyze a program in different stages. First will be finite automata checks whether identifiers are valid or invalid based on the predefined rules. This helps in the recognition correct variable names and rejecting incorrect ones. Next will be the lexical analyzer converts the source code into smaller meaningful units called tokens. It identifies keywords, identifiers, operators, numbers, and delimitaries. This process simplifies the program or further analysis. After lexical analysis, the parsers uses the context-free grammar rules to verify the syntax structure of the program. It checks whether statements are written in the correct format and detects syntax error if any rule is valid. The project also shows how valid programs are accept the will invalid programs generate proper error message. This improves understanding of how compiler is the programming language. The implementation helps students understand working principles of modern compilers and strengthens programming language analyze concept. Thank you.